Hey everyone, and welcome! Are you ready to go on a pretty incredible adventure? We're diving deep inside our own bodies to find out the secret behind our most awesome moves. Let's get right into it. So, let me ask you something. Have you ever really stopped to think about how you can swing your arm in a big circle? Or how you can pull off a really cool dance move? It feels so natural, but believe me, there's some amazing engineering happening inside you to make it all possible.
Right? How does that all work? Well, we're about to meet the secret movers and shakers inside all of us. Let's find out how it all happens.
Okay, so it all kicks off with our skeleton. I mean, think about it. We've got all these bones that give us our shape and let us stand up tall. But bones themselves are, well, they're stiff. If they were all just fused together, we'd pretty much be human statues, right? So for us to actually move, those bones need to connect somewhere. And that, my friends, is where joints come into play. A joint is basically just the spot where two or more bones meet up. It's the meeting point. And get this, we have more joints than we have bones. Kind of wild, huh? They are the absolute key to every single movement we make. But here's a fun fact for you. Not all joints are actually made for moving. Take the ones in your skull, for instance. Those bones are locked together by what we call fixed joints. They don't move at all. Their big job is to be like a super strong helmet, protecting that amazing brain of yours. So for the real action, we need a totally different kind of joint. All right, it's time to meet the real hero of our story. This next part is all about the undisputed champion of movement. You see, while some of our joints can only do a simple back and forth motion, there's one special type that is a true superstar. It gives us the biggest range of motion in our entire body. You ready to meet it? Let's hear it for the ball and socket joint. Yep, that's it. This is our champion, our all-star, the MVP of movement. And its name gives you a huge clue about how it's built. It's actually a really brilliant, simple design. You've got one bone that has a rounded end, kind of like a ball, and it fits perfectly into this little cup-shaped space on another bone. Just picture a ball sitting in a cup. It can spin and move in literally every direction. So where are these awesome joints hiding? Well, we have two main pairs in our body. First, you've got your shoulders. They're what connect your arms to your torso. And second, you've got your hips, connecting your legs. These are our body's super mover hotspots. Okay, so we know what it is and we know where to find it. But how does it work so darn smoothly? Let's peel back the layers and check out the secret mechanics of this all-star joint. Okay, this part is really cool. Inside that joint, there's this special slippery liquid called synovial fluid. Think of it like the oil you put on a squeaky door hinge or the grease on a bike chain. Its whole job is to make sure everything glides past each other super smoothly, with no friction. It's pretty amazing. Now, to really get how special this is, let's compare it to another joint. Think about your knee or your elbow for a second. That's a hinge joint. It's great, but it can only move one way, back and forth, just like a door hinge. But the ball and socket, oh, it's in a whole other league. It can go forward, backward, side to side, and it can rotate. We're talking total freedom of movement. You want to try something cool? Let's do a little experiment right now. Go on, make a fist with one hand. Got it? That's your ball. Now take your other hand and cup it. That's your socket. Now fit your fist right into that cupped hand. See? Now move that fist all around, up, down, side to side in circles. You just made your own working model of a ball and socket joint. How cool is that? All right, let's bring all this science back to the real world. Let's talk about all the amazing things you do every single day, maybe without even realizing it. All thanks to these superstar joints.
You ever throw a ball? Of course you have. When you wind up for that big pitch, that's your shoulder's ball and socket joint doing its thing. It's that huge circular motion that gives your throw all its power.
Or how about swimming? When you're doing that big arm rotation for a freestyle stroke, that is only possible because of the incredible range of motion in your shoulder joint. It lets you reach way out, pull the water back, and do it all over again. You know, even something as simple as waving hello to a friend across the street, yep, you guessed it, that's your ball and socket joint in your shoulder at work, letting you lift and rotate your arm. It's like an everyday superpower you didn't even know you had.
And for the grand finale of moves, doing a cartwheel. This is the ultimate example. It uses both sets of your ball and socket joints. Your shoulders take the weight of your body, and your hips give you that powerful kick to swing your legs up and over. It's the perfect team-up of your super movers. Okay, so these joints are amazing, right? But with all that incredible mobility, they need a little extra TLC. It's really important that we take good care of them. So, what's the secret to keeping these super movers happy and healthy? Well, it's pretty simple. First, keep on moving. Regular exercise makes them strong. Second, don't forget to rest. After a really active day, giving your body a break is just as important. And finally, and this is a big one, if a joint ever feels kind of sore or it hurts, make sure you tell a grown-up about it. And of course, just a really quick and important reminder, this explainer is just for informational purposes. If you ever have any real concerns about your health or your joints, the best thing to do is always talk to a doctor or another medical professional.
All right, you ready for a super quick cheat sheet? Let's recap the big stuff. Number 1, a joint is where bones meet. Number 2, the ball and socket is the most mobile joint we've got. Number 3, you can find them in your shoulders and your hips. Number 4, their unique shape is what allows for movement in all directions. And number 5, they let you do awesome stuff like throwing, swimming, and waving. Got it?
So, I'm going to leave you with this one question. Now that you're an expert on your body's super movers, what awesome, amazing, incredible move are you going to do today with your ball and socket joints? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.